Yes, good morning everyone. Thank you for being here despite of my, tardiness. I was trying to fix my connection as well in our online platform so that everyone can see us not only here in Zoom but also in Facebook. If you can hear me, if you can see me without any problem, kindly message me at the caption or the comment section or at the chat box of Zoom so that I know that I am clear on your end so that we can start without any wahala. Because today we are going to talk about the wonderful products of the company. So it's been really okay a while since we have a discussion. Okay, thank you very much, Ibrahim. It's been really been a while since we have a training or discussion regarding the product presentation of the company here in Nigeria. So I want to present this one. It's because I want you to be updated what are the available products here in Nigeria, and at the same time what are the upcoming new products that we are going to enjoy in this country. So if you are ready, type it there at the comment section below or at the chat box. I am ready. And before I start, I would like to encourage everyone to share this live so that we can also spread awareness and knowledge about the products of the company and how are these products going to help them prevent different kinds of diseases and illnesses. So again, if you are together with me, maybe you can send me a lot of hearts, a lot of thumbs up, or maybe you can just message or comment there at the comment section below. I am ready. How are you, Mr. Fred Willie? Good morning, champion. To all the champions in different parts of the globe. Good more earnings and welcome to EdPlan 3.0 product presentation. And we also have Hardemola Gold Harjo. I am ready. He is ready. That's very great. So again, this is the very first product presentation we are going to present here in Nigeria this year 2025. And I am very happy. It's because this is my first online after the kickoff training. I've been traveling different states for me to visit the different branches here in Nigeria to join them as they celebrate the kickoff training. To all of the 8 branches here in this country, congratulations. Please join me as we congratulate all of the leaders who joined us on that wonderful event. Just type it there at the chat box, congratulations, or maybe at the comment section there and Facebook. And once again, in order for us to share positiveness, okay, in different parts of the globe, share this video so that everyone everyone can see and learn what are the wonderful products of the company. So without further ado, let me share my slide everyone so that we can start because after all we have a lot of products and we have new products that we are looking forward to because I'm definitely sure it will help you to prevent different kinds of diseases and it will definitely help you to become more, let's say healthy. Sorry about that. Okay. Good morning, ma'am. How are you, Sir Namdi? Thank you for being here. I know you are very busy online and offline doing your business. Despite you are there in US. Okay, you are there in US and we have a lot of challenges that we are facing. You still have time to join us in this wonderful presentation. Dr. Adinuga, okay, is here as well. Congratulations, Doctor, because I saw that you qualified for the last Get 3 promo. Congratulations, sir. Let me give you a lot of thumbs up for a job well done. So here we go and let's get started, my dear friends. For those people who are not familiar with me yet, let me introduce myself to each and every one of you. My name is Raz Giliera. Okay, one of the international trainers of this company, EdPlan 3.0 Nigeria. So I've been here for 10 years. Yes, I've been here doing the business for 10 years in Nigeria, and I'm very glad that I'll be sharing to you my knowledge regarding, yes, the business, specifically to the products of the company because this products, my dear friends, really works. Okay, not only for other people but for me. And that is the reason why I am very glad that I'll be sharing to you. Okay, that I'll be sharing to you the products that made me healthier and made all of our leaders who trusted us much healthier than before. So here we go, and this is the updated EdPlan product presentation. I hope that everyone can see my slide. If you can see it, please send me a lot of thumbs up and a lot of hearts, or maybe you can comment there at the chat box. So here we go. We are a company that came from the Philippines,
Kasi
and
budol.
you know, okay.
Get po, no?
Let
Silo ba?
me mute everyone first so that everyone can everyone can focus on what we're talking about right now. So But we are a company that came from the Philippines. We are known as Alliance in Motion Global, AIM Global, Empowered Consumerism as well. Here in Nigeria, we are running a program known as EdPlan 3.0 or Economy Designer Plan 3.0. Okay, so now why is it that we were able to, we were able to last long in this industry, in the business? Because here in Nigeria, we are so proud to say that we've been doing the business for more than a decade. Okay. So just imagine, we continue to stay strong. We continue to create a lot of multi-millionaires. We continue to create a lot of healthy people, not only in the Philippines, but in different parts of the globe. Okay. Chigose, how are you? My people from Onitsha. Okay. So the reason why is it that we were able to last long? It's because we focus more on health, because we believe that health is wealth. And the best way for us to cherish our health is through prevention. Prevention is better than cure, my dear friends. Please don't wait for your body to get sick or to become weak before you realize how important your health is. I am ready. Thank you very much, everyone. So, now, the question is, how are you going to make yourself healthy? Okay. So apart from eating healthily, apart from sleeping on time, apart from having a healthy lifestyle, sometimes we need to take something to make our body much healthier, preventing a lot of diseases. Okay. So now, in this presentation that we are doing right now, I am going to share to you the products that can make you much healthier. Okay? So sorry about that. I was just trying to mute some some of our attendees so that everyone can focus and not be distracted on our current presentation. So once you are healthy, my dear friends, definitely all of the money that you have earned, all of the things that you work hard for, you will be able to enjoy that together with your family. Definitely, we want to, we are doing everything that we are doing so that we have a better future. Because if you're not going to take care of your body, this will be your result. What you're seeing right now is an individual who already has cancer. And as everyone knows, cancer, it doesn't have a particular cure, particular medicine that can cure that kind of condition. Though there are some ways that we can do something to prevent it, to at least, okay, prevent the cancer from proliferating in your body or for it to exacerbate. There are ways, but again, there are no such, exact medicine to make sure that the cancer will be removed in our system. So again, please don't wait for your body to get sick. What you just need to do is for you to focus, okay, for you to focus, my dear friends, on things that we can do to prevent that from happening. So what's the good news? The good news is this. Okay, the company partnered in different multi-billion companies. Okay, companies, my dear friends, that creates products that are good for the body. Okay. So what are those? Number one, of course, Nature's Way. Okay, multi-billion dollar company. Best of the best when it comes to creating organic products, supplements. Next, we also have DSM, AMS, and Wader Global Nutrition. All of those, my dear leaders, before we introduce it in the market, they are checking it first. Okay? To make sure that everything will have its intended effect on the human body. So what are the products they made together with our CEO, Dr. Eduardo Cabantog? Because our products are co-formulated by our CEO, Dr. Eduardo Cabantog. Okay, so let's start with this product. This product that you're seeing right now is the flagship product of our company known as the C24/7. So C24/7, it contains 22,000 phytonutrients from 29 vitamins, minerals, up to trace minerals, up to anti-aging and longevity polyphenols. It's already there in one capsule of your C24/7. So if you're asking me what are the components we use in this product, you can see it right in front of your screen. Okay, each of the capsule, it has all of these mushrooms, it has all of these fruits, it has all of this green foods, spirulina blend, and a whole vegetable blends. Actually, it has more. Okay, but I can only put some of ingredients or components that made up our C24/7. So who are you going to recommend this product? Number one, of course, to people who wants to prevent different kinds of diseases and illnesses. People with low immune system. So for example, your friend is always getting sick, malaria, pneumonia, almost every month. That is not normal. It means their immune system, my dear friends, is not strong enough to fight back different kinds of infection or any foreign body that can cause that wahala. Okay. So now what are you going to do? You can give this product the C24/7. So how to take this one? 30 minutes before eating breakfast or before eating meals. It depends on what is the dosage and what is the recommendation of the medical practitioner to you. Okay? Because here in Nigeria or here in this company as a whole, we have medical practitioners that can help you, my dear friends, to uh to recommend, prescribes what is the best supplement that will go together with your medicine if you have medicine, or what are the supplements that is good for your body. Okay, so what else? We also include longevity, polyphenols, and anti-aging. So for those people who wants to look younger, who wants to look beautiful, you can also take this product because, my dear friends, it has high amounts of resveratrol that can help us achieve the anti-aging effect. Okay, so there you go for your C24/7. So if you are a person who doesn't really like eating vegetables and fruits, this is the right product for you as well. Okay, so for people who also wants to build good muscles, we can also recommend this one because it has amino acids in them. Okay. So every time you're taking the C24/7, apart from the fact that it can make you strong, it can also help you. Okay, yes. It can also help you to build your muscle. And of course, if you are, if you just experience accident, you have a wound or injury, it can also help because it helps in faster wound healing. So there's a lot of things that you're going to enjoy about this one, this product. That's the reason why it's the flagship product here in Nigeria. Hey, okay. So what else? Next product that we have is Complete Phyto Energizer. So Complete Phyto Energizer, it contains 16,000 phytonutrients. By the way, when you say phytonutrients, those are nutrients that comes from plants, fruits, and vegetables. So definitely, if you want to be healthy, our mother or father, the adults, they're going to tell us that we need to eat a lot of vegetables because again, it contains a lot of phytonutrients that can introduce a lot of antioxidants in our body. Remember, if you are attending our special product presentation, antioxidant helps us in fighting back free radicals, because free radicals, though it's already present in our body, if you are not strong enough when it comes to your immune system, there's a tendency that it can damage the normal cells or the strong cells, okay, in our body. So what you're going to do, you just take our products that is high in antioxidant, and I am definitely sure it can help you fight back different kind of free radicals and prevent different kinds of diseases. So what are the ingredients or components that we are getting from Complete Phytoenergizer that give us all of the nutrients that made us healthy? You can see it there. It has the 12 fruits. It has the 12 vegetable, my dear friends. It also has the mushroom. It's almost the same as the C24/7. The only difference is that it doesn't have anti-aging and longevity polyphenols. It's because this product, we recommend it also for pregnant women. We recommend it also for lactating mothers, people with bleeding problems, and people with reproductive problems. Okay? So, remember that those people with those kind of condition, you can just give them any products anyhow. Okay, sometimes you need to get an advice from the doctor, from your OB if you are pregnant, just to make sure that what you are taking is good for your body and it's good for the baby. So now, every time you have a problem in regards with your reproductive system, if you are a mother or about to become a mother, or you are pregnant, my dear friends, commonly the doctors will recommend to you the Complete Phytoenergizer, because it also gives you iron. It also gives you vitamin C necessary for you to to have the normal levels of iron during your pregnancy. Remember, you are not the only person that supplies, okay, that your body is supplying nutrients, but it also supplies nutrients to your baby as well. Okay, so that's the reason why when you are one of this, we give this product, Complete Phytoenergizer. When are you going to take your Complete? That is always 30 minutes before you eat. Okay, so if you want to know how many you're going to take in a day, it depends on your condition. But if you are just normal, you just want to be healthy, you just want to get all the necessary nutrients you need in a day, then one capsule of this in a day is okay. Okay. So now let's move on. If we have a product for adults, we also have a product for children. So what product is that? That is KD 24/7. Okay. So the KD 24/7, my dear friends, is a product that is rich with vitamins and minerals. In fact, it has 14 in it that is coming from the 26 fruits and vegetables. So if you are wondering what are the 26 fruits and vegetable, what are the vitamins and minerals in it, here you go. Okay, you will see it in front of your screen. We cannot just give them any products that commonly adults are taking, because remember, the body of a child is much smaller than as adults. That's the reason why you cannot just give them normal vitamins that we usually take, because it can result to overdosage. So to make sure that they are still healthy, they are getting all the necessary nutrients for growing up, for developing their brain, you can give them KD 24/7. And what's so good about this product is that this product is made okay, is made up of fruits and vegetable. So whenever they're going to take this one, they will love it, because this is like sweets. This is like candies. Okay? But it's not the normal candies in which can cause tooth decay that can cause additional sugar in their body, because this one is a healthy sweet that can help them give their body 14 vitamins and minerals necessary for their growth and development. And at the same time, for children who are having a hard time, okay, are having a hard time on their bowel movement, you want to normalize it, you can give them the KD 24/7. Okay, so next one, we have the Restore Life. So this Restore Life, my dear friends, its main component is the resveratrol. So we got the resveratrol from this ingredient, or the components that you're seeing right in front of you. They are the Japanese nut with red wine powder, wine extract, and of course, grapeseed extract. All of these are very rich in this component, okay, known as resveratrol. Okay, what is a resveratrol? That is an antioxidant good for our body that can prevent different kind of age-related diseases. When you say age-related diseases, these are the condition in which, okay, our body commonly gets as we get older. Okay, and at the same time, if you have this kind of condition, sometimes even though you are not that old yet, you're not that old yet, my dear friends. Somehow, because you have this kind of arthritis, maybe hypertension, heart problems, you will see that there are some changes in your appearance. It's as if you're getting older. So now, in order for us to prevent that, what you just need to do is for you to take this product very rich in resveratrol, because once you take it, it will help you to increase the sensitivity of insulin. It means once you take this product, it will help us to normalize the levels of your sugar level, preventing diabetes type 2. It also reduces signs of aging. Just like what I've said earlier, it prolongs the lifespan because according to the study that was done, okay, in US, my dear friends, it shows that taking or drinking products that has a high levels of resveratrol shows that those people who are drinking it looks much younger compared to other people who are not drinking any drinks that is not rich with resveratrol. So that's the reason why whenever you're going to take this one, it can also help you prolong your lifespan. Okay, instead of just enjoying 60 years of life, it can be 80 or it can be even more than that. Next, prevents age-related diseases. Just like once again, what I said, they are the hypertension, arthritis, rheumatism, and a lot more. Okay, so next one. Okay, we also have the Colidus. So Colidus, my dear friends, is a product rich in omega supreme fatty acid. What are those? Number one, omega-3, omega-6, omega-12, omega-9 fatty acid. So, where are we getting all of that? You see it right in front of you. Okay. So, why did we put all of this omega supreme fatty acid? Because it can help us to reduce the bad cholesterol in our body, preventing further problems that is caused by high cholesterol. Okay, so what are we going to do? So, if you see that you're already having hypertension, for example, your blood pressure is around 140 over 90, 130 over 90, somehow we can consider it normal. It depends on your age. However, my dear friends, that 130 over 90, if you are just on your 20s, okay, and you did not undergo any kind of exercise, that is kind of not normal anymore. Okay, that is slightly elevated already. So, if you're already having a blood pressure like that, and you are experiencing symptoms of of hypertension, what you're going to do, you just take this Polydose. For those people who doesn't have any kind of symptoms of heart problems, of hypertension, my dear friends, then you can still take this one, especially for those friends of us who have family history of stroke, hypertension, heart problems. This product is good for you. Apart from the fact that it has a lot of omega supreme fatty acid, we also include EPA and DHA. That is good for the heart, good for the eyes, and good for the brain. So, what can do? What can it do for you if you are taking a product that is rich in DHA? If you are a person who is forgetting a lot of things, it can help you improve your memory. Colidus can do that for you. Aside from that, if you have a family history of eye problems such as glaucoma and cataract, then again, we can recommend Colidus for you. Aside from that, what if you have a family history of coronary heart disease? Colidus is a product that we can recommend for you together with complete or C24/7 case-to-case basis. It depends on the signs and symptoms of the person. Okay. So we also recommend this to pregnant women as well. So that's Colidus for you. Next one, Burn Slim. So Burn Slim, my dear friends, it means body under right nutrition. And its goal is to make the human body healthy and slim. Okay. Because, my dear friends, sometimes, even though a person is slim, it doesn't mean or it doesn't signify the person is healthy. So we don't only want you to get slim, we want you to become healthy. That's the reason why we made sure that the components we use here are not just any chemicals. We use organic components or ingredients. What you're seeing right now is an example of Garcinia kombucha, kidney bean, okay, white kidney bean, my dear friends, and green tea extract. So all of that is part of the components of your burn. We also included L-carnitine and conjugated linoleic acid. So what does it do for your body if you're going to take a product that has okay, that has all of these ingredients inside of it? Number one, it can help suppress your appetite. Okay, so now if you are a person who have a goal of reducing weight, this product will suppress your appetite first. It means it will just control the food that you are eating or the amount of food that you're eating. It will not stop you from eating because you still need to eat, you still need the nutrients. So when you have a full plate of food, instead of eating the whole meal in that plate, you are just going to eat one fourth of it, one half of it. Okay, that is one of the effect of burn. Next one, it has a powerful metabolism booster. So instead of us, my dear friends, to simply just, eliminate the fat there in your body, okay, by increasing the bowel movement, what the burn will do is to increase your metabolism so that whenever you're going to eat, it will immediately be burned and converted to energy. And that energy, when you move, when you do exercise, or when you work out, you will be using that to expel all of that unnecessary fats in your body, helping you to maintain your weight. Or for those people who are already big, it can help you to reduce your weight. Next one, prevent fat storage. Why? Remember, we suppress your appetite. And because of that, the energy that you commonly get from the food, we are going to lessen that. Instead, we're going to get the energy from your stored fats. Okay. Where are we getting the stored fats? Commonly, it's in your belly fat. Okay. So now, those fats that it's just there. Okay. And it's not helping us. It's just giving us a lot of wahala, a lot of health problems. We are going to use that to have more energy to function in a day. Okay. So that's how Burn Slim will make you slim. Okay, so again, it suppresses your appetite, it will increase your metabolism, and it will burn all of the fats that is stored, extra fats stored in your body. Okay, so now let's move on to our next product, which is the Natural Essential Herbal Toothpaste. So the Natural Essential Herbal Toothpaste, my dear friends, is one of great product of this company. Why? Because this is not just a normal toothpaste. Did you know that we fortified this with complete phyto energizer? So every time you're actually brushing your teeth, apart from the fact that it can prevent tooth decay, it can prevent halitosis. As you brush your teeth, you're actually absorbing the 12 fruits, 12 vegetable, okay? You're getting the 29 vitamins, minerals, and trace minerals coming from complete phytoenergizer. Because underneath your tongue, there is a thing there that absorbs all of those nutrients, making you much healthier. So what are the components we use in the Natural Essential Herbal Toothpaste? We have the bee propolis. We have the piper betel extra. We have the tea tree oil. We have the aloe vera. We have the mere extract. So what does it do? Why is it that we choose these components? Because, my dear friends, it can help us to prevent bacterial and fungal infection. Remember before, antibiotic isn't a thing yet. Asian times, during the Asian times. So what do they usually use? They use herbal ingredients or component just like this. Okay? And good news, all of this together with complete Fido Energizer, we put it on your toothpaste so that every time you are brushing your teeth, you're not only making your teeth healthy, your oral health healthy, but also you make your whole body healthy. Okay. So that's it for the Natural Essential Herbal Toothpaste. Next one, we also have the Care Lift. CareLift, my dear friends, is a product that helps us to reduce the pain that is coming from our muscles if you work out and if you have joint pains, maybe because you're already old or maybe you have a family history of arthritis and you're already experiencing it. So if you have all of those kind of discomfort, here you go, you have the Care Lift. This Care Lift, my dear friends, is jam-packed with a lot of natural ingredients such as turmeric, grapeseed, Korean ginseng, germanium, nano diamond, St. John's wort. Okay, so actually all of this has its own benefits that you will definitely enjoy. So let's start with this. Okay. So, my dear friends, you will see there the turmeric. This turmeric, my dear leaders, is actually very powerful. Okay. It can give us that effect of relieving the pain that comes from your muscle pain. Okay. And we also have here the germanium, the silver ion, the vitamin E. Okay. We also have the nano diamonds to make sure that all of this that you see will be absorbed directly to the part that is giving you pain. Okay? And at the same time, once you use this product, attach it to any area that is causing you pain. For example, your back is paining you, you attach it there. Now, that particular part that is producing the pain, it will absorb the heat. As it absorbs the heat, it will reflect it back. Okay, it will reflect it back to the area that is causing you pain, relieving it. Okay, so that's how your care lift functions. So if you want, if you want to relieve all of the musculoskeletal pain that you have, or maybe joint pains that you are experiencing due to arthritis, rheumatism, and a lot more, then here you go. We have care lift for you. Okay, we also have the energy diffuser. So energy diffuser is a product that we made to make sure that all of us are protected to EMF or electromagnetic frequency or radiation. Because if we are always exposed to this kind of radiation, it can affect our body in a not so good way. What do I mean by that? So if you are actually using your phone, okay, for example, this one, if you're actually using your phone and you receive a call and you stayed on that call for so many hours, you will feel heat there, right? That sometimes you just want to remove it on your ear because somehow it's paining you. So that's just how radiation works. If you are exposed to radiation, it can give you bodily problems, especially if you're exposing yourself for quite some time now, for years. Okay. So according to studies, if we are exposed to radiation, it can cause, number one, hypertension. It can lead to diabetes. It can lead to diabetes complications such as amputations. It can also lead to insomnia because of the imbalance in your hormones. It can also lead to cancer, okay, which we don't really want to happen. So if we want to prevent all of that, what you just need to do is for you to get your energy diffuser. How big is the energy diffuser? As you can see, it's just a very small product as big as this one. You just need to attach it to any of your gadgets, appliances that emits EMF or radiation. So what are those? Definitely your cell phone, your tablet, your laptop, even your microwave, my dear friends. The projector, if you are just like us doing the business, doing presentations, we advise you to put your energy diffuser on that appliances or devices to make sure that you are protected anytime, anywhere. Okay, so that is your energy diffuser for yeah. Okay, now let's move on to one of the newest product that we have, the Ultra H2. So for you to understand how important the Ultra H2 is, I want you to understand that water is very important in our body. Did you know that 60 to 70% of our human weight is just composed of water? That's how important it is. That if you just reduce few amounts of water, it will show, it will give you discomfort. Okay. So now, why is it that we brought or launch a product just like Ultra H2 if we just need to drink water? Because water has already a lot of benefits, apart from the fact that it hydrates us, apart from the fact that it can regulate body heat, my dear friends, apart from the fact that it can prevent different kinds of kidney problems. Okay, why is it that we still introduce Ultra H2 to you? Because Ultra H2 is a product, my dear friends, that can make a normal water into a hydrogen-rich water. Okay, so what is this hydrogen-rich water that I am talking about? It's because, my dear friends, when it comes to the chemical component of your free radicals, did you know that its chemical component is just made up of one oxygen and one hydrogen? Okay, which is not really normal, abnormal, let's say. Okay, so now when we drink water, it does its job, but it will not eliminate those abnormal cells, or it will not eliminate the free radicals. These free radicals will continue to damage the normal cells in your body, creating more damages, and it can lead to different kinds of diseases. So, according to study, if we are drinking a hydrogen-rich water, that extra hydrogen that is inside, okay, of the chemical component of the hydrogen-rich water will go then to the abnormal cell, or the abnormal, free radical that has only one oxygen and one hydrogen, making it a normal one. Okay. So what does it mean? So if we are going to, make it simple, it's just like an abnormal, okay, an abnormal, let's say, cell, okay, becoming normal one. Okay. That's why, according here, it creates up to 1,500 parts per billion. Okay. So every time you drink water that is coming from Ultra H2, you are converting a lot of abnormal ones to a normal ones. That works for your benefit. Okay. So how to use this one? You get your Ultra H2. Okay. Once you already have this one, you don't need to, change it every now and then. You just need to wash it, take care of it. You put water, drink from there, and that's it. Get your Ultra H2, put at least, okay, 500 ml or 600 ml of water. Then you're charging it. As you charge it for 5 minutes or 15 minutes, it will make the normal water into a hydrogen-rich water. To drink it, my dear friends. You can also use this device, this Ultra H2, my dear friends, to convert the water of your family into a hydrogen-rich water, because there is a part of the Ultra H2 kit in which what you just need to do is just to remove the bottle part of the Ultra H2. Okay, put that one, and you can now put any kind of bottled water just like this. Okay, you can put any bottled water and just attach it to the device at the bottom. Okay, once you attach it, my dear friends, as you can see, it can help you now to make that, to make that normal water into more healthier water, or antioxidant rich water. Okay. So it has the highest mobile molecular hydrogen generator. And as I said earlier, it creates up to 1,500 parts per billion. And it has 800 human clinical studies. So if you're attending some of my training, specialized training, symposiums regarding the Ultra H2, my dear friends, I I will discuss it there, or I commonly discuss it there, the benefits and what are some of the 800 human clinical studies that makes this Ultra H2 a wonderful product that can help you prevent different kinds of diseases, making you much healthier, and at the same time, for people who are already, having signs and symptoms of UTI, having some symptoms of kidney problems, bladder problems, my dear friends, then this is a product that I can highly recommend to each and every one of you. And it has an advanced Japanese technology made in South Korea. So now we're about to end this product presentation. So let me end this by introducing or presenting the beverages of the company. So ladies and gentlemen, let me start with my choco. So my choco, my dear friends, is made up of, yes, cacao. Okay, because this one is a chocolate drink. Why? It's because cacao alone, my dear friends, can give you a lot of health benefits that protects your heart. Okay, and it can also give you, okay, anti-aging benefits. Apart from that, this product, my choco alone, is fortified with complete phytoenergizer. So aside from the fact that your cacao has a lot of nutrients inside, we also included, okay, all of the ingredients or components of complete phytoenergizer, so that when you're going to drink your My Choco, you're still getting all the nutrients necessary for you. Okay? And next, it lowers down cholesterol. Next, it protects against heart disease and complication. This one is fortified with DHA. It means it's good for the heart, good for the eyes, and good for the brain. So, who can you recommend My Choco? You can recommend this to children. You can recommend this to adults just like us. You can also recommend this to adults. Okay, so or old age, because for people who are already on that age, 50, 60, 80, sometimes they're forgetting a lot of things. Remember, DHA or docosahexaenoic acid helps, okay, the brain to, or helps us rather, to improve our memory. Okay. Aside from that, it protects our heart, and it can also prevent eye problems in the future. So here you go. You can enjoy my choco. You can recommend this to your children as well, because I'm definitely sure they are going to love this. It can help them perform well on school. Okay. Remembering all of the necessary information that can help them pass their examination. And of course, it can give them a healthy body, preventing different kinds of bacterial and viral infection. So next one, we also have the alkaline or leave-in alkaline coffee. So we have four variants. We have the original, we have the cappuccino, we have the latte, and we have the sugar free. So let's talk about the main components. The main component we use here is the Arabica coffee beans. Arabica coffee beans is known to be one of the coffee beans that has the lowest caffeine in the world. Okay, why is it that we use a coffee bean that has the lowest, okay, or one of the lowest caffeine content? It's because caffeine is good for your body, but taking or drinking too much beverage that has a lot of caffeine can also be bad for us. So to make sure you're going to enjoy your coffee, we use this coffee bean. Okay, so what does Arabica coffee bean do for us? Number one, it helps lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Okay, and also help prevent diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. As we all know, my dear friends, okay, that if you are, if you are very busy, okay, especially if you're already getting old, you have a family history of Alzheimer's, sometimes you are forgetting a lot of things. Now, okay, in order for us to at least, okay, slow down the progression, okay, slow down the progression or prevent, okay, this kind of condition, Live-in alkaline coffee, we can also give this or recommend it to them together with the Restore Life. It can help them at least slow down the progression and prevent it if you don't have it yet, but you have a family history of this kind of condition, Alzheimer's, dementia, like that. Okay. Next one, known for their smooth taste. Okay. It has a lower caffeine content. Okay. Next one, reduce risk of heart diseases. So just imagine, we're talking about caffeine here, which is an antioxidant as well, good for your body. It gives you strength, my dear friends. It can also normalize your bowel movement. Okay? Though we know, okay, caffeine for some of its bad, bad reputation. But to be honest with you, if you are just drinking the right coffee and the right amount of caffeine, you're actually getting a lot of benefits. It can make you more alert, my dear friends. It can make you, more stronger. That's why some of our people, whenever they are drinking Live alkaline coffee, my dear friends, they feel strong. They feel they have the energy. They feel that even though, my dear friends, they haven't eaten yet, somehow they're not feeling the feeling of, hunger. Okay, because did you know that caffeine, it also has the ability to suppress the appetite. Okay. And one good thing about Live alkaline coffee, it has a low calorie content. Compare it to other coffee, 3-in-1 coffee, my dear friends. You will see the calorie content of this product is much lower compared to other coffees out there. Especially if you're going to choose the sugar-free. Apart from the fact that sugar-free doesn't have any sugar, check the nutritional contents there. All of our products there, they have the nutritional values. You will see it there that the calorie content is just around 60 calorie content for the sugar-free and 90 for the Live alkaline coffee. But when it comes to sugar, it doesn't have any sugar because what we use there is the stevia. Okay, so what is stevia? What you're seeing right here, this one, is the stevia, my dear friends. So stevia, it's not a carbohydrate. So even if you take this one, it will not increase your sugar level. That is our purpose here. We want you to enjoy your coffee, my dear friends, without increasing your sugar level. But instead, it can help you to maintain the normal levels of your sugar to prevent diabetes type 2. Okay. So, why did I present the beverages at the last part of our presentation? It's because currently, my dear friends, we have a promo in all of our beverages. What are the promos? Okay, so let me show you guys. So the promo that we have that is currently running for all of our coffee is a 19% off promo. So instead of us buying this product at this price, we are now going to give you a 19% discount. Okay? Instead of getting your Live-in at the price of 17,000, 12,000 if you are a distributor, then we will be giving it to you at the price of 10,206 naira. And all of this applies. Okay, all of this applies not only to original, but it applies to all of our beverages. That includes my choco. Okay? So, this one will only run up until, okay, February 28. So, we already started this one, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So, the promo is already running around 5, going to 6 days. Okay, so we still have few more days. So, inform your people that if they love coffee, they want to enjoy all of its benefits, my dear friends, then we have the 19% off promo for them. And good news because this promo doesn't only apply to our beverages, but we also have 19% off discount to all of our available products here in Nigeria. Okay. So, all of these are the available products in Nigeria. But if you want the exact products that are available in each of the branches, okay, in each of the branches, my dear friends, we have, or I advise you guys to contact, okay, our customer service to know what are the exact products available for each of the branches. Because this promo has been ongoing since February 17, right after our kick-off training, my dear friends. So now, some of the products, because a lot of people have been buying, okay, because of the promo, because of the sale, my dear friends, some of the products doesn't have the same quantity or number as it should be, okay? So if you still want to get your hands on any of the products that will be good for you, okay, for example, Restore Life, product that is good for arthritis, rheumatism, hypertension, and a lot of age-related diseases, then here you go. You can now get your Restore Life at a price of 13,000 plus. Okay? And again, this promo will run up until February 28 or by the end of February. Remind you guys that this promo will run up until, up until afternoon. Okay, 5 p.m. to be exact. So as much as possible, while our office is open on the 28th, okay, you can call our CSR in each of our branches, my dear friends, for you to get or for you to purchase the products that you really love. Next one, we have more promos because our promo on coffee is not only on the product individually itself, but to all of our packages. So as you can see, my dear friends, from our entryverse up to our biggest package, which is the ultraverse, you will be getting free coffees. Okay, coffees that you really love. So for example, entryverse, once you invited somebody, you registered somebody into your business, and they successfully become part of the business, you and your new member, your friend who just joined you, my dear friends, will be receiving one Liven alkaline coffee each. Okay, each. It's not only it's not only the new member, but even you who invited the new member will be getting your coffee. Next one, Megaverse. So this one is one of our multiple accounts, one of the big packages here in Nigeria. Every time you registered or you successfully sign up somebody into your business using Megaverse, my dear friends, you are going to get 3 alkaline coffee for free. Both of you. It's not only you, but even the new member will be getting free coffees that I'm sure he or she will definitely love. Okay? He can take the coffee to be healthier, and at the same time, he can also share it with other people for additional profit. Next one, we also have the Neoverse. So as you can see, once you sponsor somebody using the Neoverse, both of you will be getting one each. Okay? You get one coffee and your new member will get one coffee. All of us are happy. Okay? You're getting the products, okay, that is inside of the package that you have chosen. And apart from that product that you're going to get, once you register in the business, we will be giving you extra, okay, extra free coffee for you and for your new member. Okay? And the number of free coffee you will be getting depends on what package you choose. So for example, Technoverse. So if you successfully signed up somebody under Technoverse, my dear friends, the new member will get two. You will be getting two free coffee. And while you, the one who sponsored the new member, you will be getting one. Okay. So how about Digiverse? In the Digiverse, just like Megaverse, both of you, the new member and you will be getting 3 free coffees apart from the products that you're seeing right now. Apart from the Complete, apart from the Restore Life, apart from my Choco, you will be getting both 3 free coffee each. Next one, Maxiverse. So in Maxiverse, since this is the second of the biggest package we have here in Nigeria, whenever you sponsored successfully somebody using this one, we will be giving you 4, okay, 4 free Liven alkaline coffee each. So if I am the sponsor, I'll be getting 4 additional, and my new member will be getting an additional 4 free as well. Okay? So as you can see, there's a lot of coffee already there. Okay, in the package. But aside from that, we will be giving you more. Because one of the highest selling product that we have is actually coffee. Because this coffee is really good. To be honest with you, I am a person who is very sensitive to caffeine as well, as my heart palpitates whenever I drink, okay, the usual coffee. But whenever I drink or live in alkaline coffee, I don't feel all of that discomfort. That's why I really love this product. And I know a lot of our leaders love our Liven alkaline coffee as well. So if you love our Liven, type it there at the comment section or at the chat box. I love Liven. Okay, you can also include what Liven beverage you love best. Okay, what do you love best? Is it the Okay, is it the latte? Is it the original? Is it the sugar-free? Is it the cappuccino? You can put it there. Okay, so we're not going to stop there because it will not only apply up to our Megaverse package because this promo also applies to our Ultraverse package. So the Ultraverse package, my dear friends, whenever you successfully signed up somebody using this Ultraverse, you will be getting 5 free alkaline coffee each. So I'm getting 5. I am the sponsor. And my new member will also get 5. Okay, 5 free coffee each. So now, this promo, all of us will enjoy it as long as it's within the promo period. So when is the promo period? When will it end? When did it start? February 17, it started. Um, right after the kick-off training, and it will end on February 28 by the end of this month. So again, if you want to, if you want to enjoy, okay, and maximize this promo, my dear friends, I suggest you inform your friends, you inform your loved ones to get there, okay, to get any of these packages. It's either the products or the packages, it's up to you because whatever you're going to choose, you're going to get free products, okay. Whatever you're going to choose, among all of the products that we have, you're also going to get a lot of discounts, 19% discount. So before 5 p.m., make sure, my dear friends, you already, call or visited any of our offices for you to get the products that you love best. Yes, thank you, doctor. Okay. So, aside from that, what else? Okay. What else, my dear friends? Let me show you this one. So, before I show you some of our expected products here in Nigeria, let me congratulate first all of our qualifiers of the Get 3 promo because we have a lot of qualifiers here in Nigeria. To be honest with you, this country is producing a lot of qualifiers when it comes to this promo. Get 3, get 4, get 5. So, since some of the qualifiers, my dear friends, they don't like really, showing their faces. So I'll just show you their names. Okay. So these are the Get 3 promo qualifiers. People who have qualified last January 16 to February 15. Okay. And we released this, my dear friends, this list since last week. So if you are part of the Get 3 promo qualifiers, don't hesitate to contact us or to visit any of our office so that you can also be recognized and get your certificates. So there is a corresponding amount of income you will be earning every time you qualify for the Get 3 promo. What does it mean? It means, my dear friends, apart from the direct referral, matching sales bonus you're getting every time you sponsor somebody into the business, every end of the month or every end of any Get promo, my dear friends, you earn certain amount of money. So for example, you qualify for the Get 3 promo under the Technoverse, my dear friends, you're earning 110,000 naira total earnings. Okay? So apart from the direct referral of the three Technoverse packages, we will be giving you an additional income. Okay? You will be seeing that on your DTC around 20th to 25th of the month. You will see that on your transaction history. So, where are you going to get that? To check that one, my dear friends, it will reflect, okay, on your DTC. What you just need to do is to visit your DTC, my dear friends, and then go to transaction history, check the dates from 15 up to the 25th. You will see there, get 3, get 4, or get 5 promo, whichever promo you qualified, and what package, my dear friends, did did qualify you for the promo. Okay? And make sure the account that you're checking is the account that qualifies. Okay? So now, these are the names of the people who qualifies for the Get 3 promo under the Technoverse. Okay, that's why I congratulated Dr. Adinuga earlier. So, to all of the people who qualified for the Get 3 promo under the Technoverse, my dear friends, congratulations. Everyone who are watching me right now, both in Zoom, both in Facebook, my dear friends, kindly greet them together with me. Everyone, congratulations. Just type it there at the comment section below, congratulations. Because, this is no simple thing. Imagine you sponsored three people within a month using the same package. So again, you'll be earning not only on the system of EdPlan 3.0, we will be giving you, your price. Okay, your price. It depends on what package you qualify. Okay, next one. Uh-huh. Let me check this one first. Let me admit some. Oh, here you go. So now, apart from the first one, okay, we also have other Technoverse qualifiers because we have a lot of qualifiers under the Technoverse. Let me show you the Neoverse qualifiers. Okay, I can mention their names because they are not that plenty. Okay, so let me congratulate Marian Yinusa. Congratulations, Kehinde. Mr. Kihinde, congratulations, Mr. Michael Atoyebi. Congratulations, Mr. Bolaji Adegbuyega. Congratulations to Mr. Babatunde. Congratulations to Mr. Kehinde. And congratulations to Mr. Toby Ohihon. If I'm not mistaken, they are from Ibadan. Congratulations to all the people on Ibadan for qualifying the Get 3 promo under the Neoverse. So how much did they earn? Total income of the people who qualified under the Get 3 promo Neoverse is 85,000 naira. Okay. So next one. Let me show you guys our Get 3 promo qualifiers under the Digiverse. So, our consistent, okay, our consistent qualifier for most of our Get promo, not only 3. He always qualify in 3, 4, and 5. My dear friends, congratulations to Ambassador Akamuno Anthony. Okay. I know most of the time he is in Abuja. Congratulations for qualifying once again for the Get 3 promo Digiverse. Okay. We also like to congratulate Mr. Olagingka Asis, Mr. Nafyu Akinbode, Ma'am or Mr. Fatimo Abdul Ganju. We also have Tajudin Olarewaju. So congratulations once again because this is not an easy feat. Imagine, get 3 promo qualifier under Digiverse. So, how do you usually, compute? Yes, my dear friends, compute your income under any of the get promo packages. My dear friends, if you qualify under the Digiverse, your total income on that particular three, okay, on that particular three, not including the others, okay, we're just computing. Okay, we're just computing the three that qualifies under the promo period is 200,000 naira. Why 200,000 naira? Okay, because every time a person sponsor somebody under Digiverse, the person will earn 50,000 naira per person. So if, example, I invited or I sponsored 3 people under the business, I will be getting 50,000 each. And since I connected 3 of these people, I'm getting a total of 150,000 direct referral bonus. Now, why is it that I'm getting 200,000? Because once you qualify in Digiverse, the company will give you an extra income of 50,000 naira. That's why all of these leaders who qualified under the Get 3 Promo Digiverse, they earn 200,000. Okay? 200,000, my dear friends, on that 3 people alone. Okay? So, now, congratulations once again. Next one, we also have, okay, this one, the Megaverse qualifier, Get 3 promo. So, how much did he earn? Okay, let us congratulate Mr. Ridwan Adedokon for successfully qualifying for Get 3 promo under this package. So he earns a total of 420,000 naira. So why is it 420,000 naira? So every time a person successfully connected somebody using Megaverse, they're always getting 100,000 naira. Okay? So one person is equivalent to 100,000. So since it's Get 3 person, 100 times 3, 300,000. Okay? But instead of just getting the 300,000, the company will give him an extra income of 120,000 naira. That's why the total income for qualifying under this one is 420,000 naira. So for those people who qualified, okay, under this Get 3 promo, congratulations once again. And we have an ongoing promo, that is the Get 4 promo. Okay, and it runs from February 16 up to March 15, 2025. Okay, that will be Saturday of March. So if you want to have an extra income apart from direct referral bonus and matching sales bonus, what you just need to do is to qualify in any of the Get 4 promo packages. So let us review once again. Every time you invited somebody, 4 people, connected somebody to the business using Neoverse, aside from the 25,000 you're getting each, you're also going to have an extra 10,000 naira. Same goes to Technoverse. You're going to get 20,000 naira extra income. Digiverse will give you extra income of 50,000 naira. Megaverse is 120,000 naira. And last but not the least, the Megaverse, which is 300,000 naira every time you're going to qualify in any of the Get promo. Get 3, 4, and 5. Remember, every time you're going to qualify in any of Ditch promo, my dear friends, you're getting this much money if, okay, if, my dear friends, you qualify for the Maxiverse Get 3, 4, and 5 promo. I hope everyone is loving that one, okay? So please inform all of your people so that, okay, so that, my dear friends, they can have an extra income as well and they will be able to enjoy all of the promos under EdPlan 3.0 Nigeria. Okay, so for those qualifiers, you just need to meet us or contact us, my dear friends, and we will give you your certificate as well. So before I go, I want to show you 3 new videos. Okay, so I will be explaining each so that you will understand what are the upcoming products that we expect here in Nigeria that I'm sure all of us, even my kababayan there in the Philippines who are watching us, um, if you want to do the business, okay, leaders who are in other country who want to do the business here in Nigeria, let me introduce you to some of the expected products we will be having in this country. So let me share this video to each and every one of you, my dear friends, and I hope that you will enjoy it. Okay, so let me show you this one first. Okay, I hope everyone can see it. Okay, here we go. Let me share another video for everyone as well because it's not only the product that we are expecting here in Nigeria. So again, there's a lot of good news to be happy about. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, soon we will be enjoying it here in Nigeria. Now, what is the reason why we made products just like that? Because we know how important, how important our health is, specifically our physical health. So now, if you want to look younger, okay, you want to look younger, you want to prevent wrinkles, you want to glow, my dear friends, you want to brighten up your face, these are the good products that we can recommend to each and every one of you. I will not explain everything for now because I want to, I want to present how great the products is once we launch the products in each of the regional center. We will be launching it as well online so that my people online, my community online will also be enjoying and learn more about these products. Okay. But once we launch it, okay, you will see the glow. Okay. So it will, these are products that can help you to glow your skin, my dear friends, to tighten your skin because as we grow older, our collagen levels in our skin lowers down. Okay. Maybe because of old age and because of our lifestyle as well. If you're always exposed to, to harmful, harmful environments such as environment that is exposed to different kinds of radiation, my dear friends, it also lowers down the collagen content in our skin. Or let's say the effects of our collagen is not as good as before. Okay. It's just like, it's just like a rubber band, my dear friends. If you always use that one, my dear leaders, it's not as tight anymore. So our skin is just like that. So that's the reason why we have products that can make sure it will make you look very beautiful and still look younger. So let me share to you the last product that we are planning to launch soon. Okay, something that we can expect. Okay. And if you want to watch these videos, my dear friends, it will be playing. It's actually playing over and over again in AIM Nigeria Talks. So make sure you follow us, like our page, so that you're always updated. Okay. So here we go. Okay. So I know a lot of people are also waiting for that one. How are you, Mambera? Or the Supreme, okay, here in Nigeria. Why? It's because these products, my dear leaders, are really good for the body, increasing the immune system. And just imagine if you are taking right amount of vitamin D, it can also help us to absorb calcium in our body, especially or in our bones to be specific. Because as we grow older, my dear friends, as you can see, our bones become brittle. Okay. So in order for us to stay strong and to prevent all of those, problems that is related to that, related to that aspect. Okay, related to that aspect, then soon we will be enjoying that product as well. So thank you very much, and I hope you learn and you get some value from the EdPlan presentation or the EdPlan product presentation we have for today. So the products that I presented today are the products available in this country. Okay. So if you want to, if you want, my dear leaders, to get some products, what are the benefits, how are you going to use those products, my dear leaders. I hope you got some information from this presentation. It's just a tip of the iceberg, my dear friends. You don't need to worry about that. Okay, so now I will be ending my live presentation in Facebook. Okay, I will be ending my live presentation in Facebook. To all of my people here in Zoom, you can continue staying here so that I can address any of your concern regarding health aspect. Okay, so I'll be giving you a few minutes of your time to write down all of your concern there. Kindly, kindly type it there or message me there at the chat box, or maybe you can just send me raise hand. Okay, click the raise hand so that I know, I know who to call to. I know who am I going to address. So let me add my, live in Facebook as well because I'm putting it live. It's because even though there are some people who have challenges in their network, my dear friends, and because of time, issue as well. Sometimes there are some, there are some members, there are some leaders who are asking for the presentation, recorded presentation online. So I made sure that this one is recorded in Facebook, and you can always just visit a Nigeria Talks from time to time, or you can download it directly there so that you can simply send the presentation to your friends. So let me end the presentation in Facebook, and you can just, stay here. Okay, you can just stay here in Zoom if you have questions regarding the product. Okay, so let me do this one. Mm-hmm.